Walimosha waliqeda ke iplan lika Sydney uLwandle ngokutshela ke uZoleka ukuthi kahle hle kwenzekalani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Celebration. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 16th to the 28th of June 2025 on Monday. Hlathi exert himself for keeping two women happy, but he has some answering to do to Zoleka before she's willing to move on. Zoleka elicits Mawethu's help so she can come out of tight corner on Tuesday. Two mega suspicious or suspicions of Hlathi's infidelity have her working overtime. She makes peace with the one person she hates just so she can find proof. Hlathi is against Zoleka making amends with Thumeka and Zinhle's plan about her future shocks likamva on Wednesday. Zoleka and Thumeka rekindle the good old times while being very suspicious of each other. Sydney play a dangerous card that could destroy Zoleka for good on Thursday. Zoleka has a devastating career blow which also affect her loved ones in a horrible way. Thumeka makes a dangerous connection that lead her to go on a hunt on Friday. The children pick up on a tension between Hlathi and Thumeka and fear the crumbling of their family. Qhawe agrees to give her relationship with Zoleka another chance. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.